Family. Family is one of the most important parts of life. A family is a group of people who are connected by blood, marriage, or adoption. Families come in different shapes and sizes. Some families are small, with only parents and one child. Other families are large, with many siblings, grandparents, and cousins. No matter the size, family plays a big role in shaping who we are and how we live. Families give us love, support, and a sense of belonging. They are the first people we meet in life, and they help us grow. From the moment we are born, our family is there to take care of us. Parents provide food, shelter, and clothes. They also teach us important lessons like how to speak, walk, and be kind to others. Families help children feel safe and loved, which is important for their development. One of the most important things a family does is teach values. Parents teach their children what is right and wrong. They teach respect, honesty, and responsibility. These values stay with children as they grow into adults. For example, if a child is taught to be kind and respectful, they are likely to show kindness and respect to others in the future. The values we learn from our family shape our character and guide us in making decisions. Family members also provide emotional support. When we are sad, worried, or stressed, we can turn to our family for comfort. Parents, siblings, and even grandparents listen to our problems and give us advice. Knowing that someone is there to help us through difficult times makes us feel stronger. Families celebrate our successes too, whether it's a good grade in school, a new job, or a special achievement. They are our biggest cheerleaders and supporters. Families spend a lot of time together. They eat meals, play games, and go on trips. These shared moments create memories that last a lifetime. Family traditions like celebrating holidays, birthdays, or special events also help strengthen the bond between family members. For example, some families always have a big meal together on Thanksgiving or gather to exchange gifts during the holidays. These traditions make everyone feel closer and remind us of the importance of being together. However, families are not always perfect. Like any group of people, family members can sometimes disagree or have arguments. Siblings might fight over toys, or parents may disagree on how to handle a situation. These disagreements are a normal part of family life. What is important is how families handle these conflicts. Talking, listening, and respecting each other's opinions can help solve problems and bring the family closer together. In the end, family members care for each other, even if they sometimes have differences. One of the strongest bonds in a family is the relationship between parents and children. Parents are there to guide their children, help them grow, and make sure they are safe. Children, in return, love and respect their parents. This bond is built on trust and understanding. As children grow older, this relationship changes. They may become more independent, but the love between parents and children remains strong. Siblings also share a special relationship. Brothers and sisters grow up together, and they often share many experiences. They may play together, study together, and help each other through difficult times. Siblings can be very close, and they often become best friends as they grow older. Even though siblings might argue from time to time, they usually support each other when it matters most. Grandparents are another important part of many families. They bring wisdom and experience to the family. Grandparents often tell stories about the past, share life lessons, and give advice. They also play a special role in taking care of their grandchildren. Spending time with grandparents can be a wonderful experience for children because they can learn so much from them. In addition to parents, siblings, and grandparents, extended family members like aunts, uncles, and cousins also play a role in family life. They may not live in the same house, but they're still an important part of family gatherings and celebrations. Extended family members provide additional support, love, and care. They often help each other during hard times, like when someone is sick or needs help. Having a strong extended family network can make a big difference in feeling connected and supported. In modern times, families look different from the past. Some families have one parent, while others have two. Some families are made up of step-parents and step-siblings. Adoption is also common, and adopted children are just as much a part of the family as biological children. No matter what a family looks like, the important thing is the love and care shared between family members. Technology has also changed the way families stay connected. In the past, family members who lived far apart could only communicate through letters or occasional phone calls. Now, with the internet and smartphones, families can stay in touch easily, even if they are far away from each other. Video calls, text messages, and social media make it possible for families to share their lives, no matter where they are in the world. This helps keep families close, even when distance separates them. Family life is full of milestones and celebrations. Birthdays, graduations, weddings, and holidays are special times when families come together to celebrate. These moments bring joy and help create lasting memories. They are a reminder of the love and support that families provide. Even in tough times, like the loss of a loved one, families come together to offer comfort and strength to each other. At the heart of every family is love. Love is what keeps a family strong, no matter what challenges they face. Families support each other through thick and thin. They celebrate together in happy times and stand by each other in difficult times. The love between family members creates a bond that cannot be easily broken. Family is not just about the people we live with. It is also about the feeling of belonging. Families give us a sense of identity and connection. We share a history, traditions, and memories with our family members. Knowing where we come from and who we are connected to can give us a sense of purpose and belonging in the world. In conclusion, family is one of the most important parts of life. It provides love, support, and guidance. Family teaches us important values, helps us through difficult times, and celebrates our successes. No matter what a family looks like, the love and care shared between family members make it special. Families are the foundation of our lives, and the bonds we form with our family members last a lifetime. Whether big or small, close or far, family is a source of strength and happiness for everyone.